No, we went on one at Europa Park and it had seagulls on
I'm not a fan of these at all. These are share swings. Alright, Casper's got his arms out, he's flying. You can see Robin and Eden there, they're having a good time. It's weird that they got rid of these Paultons towers, really. They were going on them years and years ago. Eden's staring at me. She's having a good time. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You're getting a great view of Flight of the Pterosaur there. Woo! I really wish I hadn't come on these now. Oh. It's slowing down, we're doing alright. They I know, yes, that's why I'm not going to on rider cam this time. For that very reason. Oh, okay. Eden absolutely loved it. Did you like that, Casper, as well?
I love it.
Yeah, good fun.